Conas atá. How are you? Mary Ellen and Shaw. Mary Ellen here. And I've got some visitors coming up to say hello to me now. Conas atá. How are ye? So that's the hill behind there, and you can see like a mound. So that's the Sídhe. Agus tá mé I cunda na hairví. Now we grew up with the fairy mound. So this is my place that I grew up in. I am in Westmeath. Agus tá 8 míle, 7 miles from Uisneach, the hill of Uisneach. From that hill you can see Freyan Hill, and from Freyan Hill you can see Uisneach. So it's just over the rolling hills. Now I am writing a new scéal of Ériu that I will perform live in the Irish Cultural Centre in Hammersmith on the 4th of May. It'll be a scéal nua of Bealtaine, of Uisneach, of Emerging, agus of Ériu. Look, bhfuil sé go lánta. Isn't it just beautiful? Agus éist. Tree isn't dead. The Irish language is not dead. I'm not dead. My parents are actually not dead. They're all with me. Tá si go léir beo. They're all alive. On Shaw, here, on the land. On Ériu's land. Because Ériu gave her name to Ireland. Ériu's land, Ireland. And Ériu actually means abundance.